Well, I have the billet that I've been working on for a long time, billet by billet combining. So I have 882 layers with a core of 12 layers of wrought iron and mild steel. And I even put a little bit of tractor blade in the end just to hedge. So, disclaimer. I'm going to start shaping this today, and I thought about using the water on the anvil and the hammer method the Japanese use, and I may try that at some point within this project, but I'm not sure I'm going to do it today. It's I'm not sure I want to try something new in the middle of a project this big, but it would be a good learning experience for me, so I may dabble in it. But the sand works just fine, so I will most likely continue with that. And I'm going to start shaping this into something katana-ish. I'm not going to call it katana because it's not made the traditional method by the masters. It's just made by me. But it will be katana-ish, and I will try to be as faithful as possible within my abilities to the original art form, and we'll see what we get. So here's where things stand. 15 inches of steel, can't really call it a billet anymore, but it's 882 layers, and it's the beginning of my katana-ish sword.